back everybody, girls and boys, for another unboxing video. Today it's Waist Relax Mate multi-level back stretching device, 5 minutes a day. It may help in certain conditions, relieve chronic back pain, correct postural imbalances, restore the natural curvature of the back, improve flexibility in shoulder and back muscle. I apologize about the background noise. We are in South LA and we are in Nature Park. Alright my peeps, so you guys, as you guys all know, and all of you newbies, new subscribers, I suffer a work-related multiple spine injury in 2018 with IPW Local 11. So I'm finding, since the whole legal and medical system, in specific medical system, has failed me, I have to find ways of how to cope and deal and overcome and hopefully future-wise recover and repair my fix my whole spine, my lumbar spine. All right, my peeps. So let's do this unboxing. Little background, little history of why am I doing this. If I had a good back, I would invest in this. Waist Relax Mate. I already read this, right? Okay, adjustable, lightweight, compact, completely portable. Let's look at the back. You guys can see it. How long will it take for me to see results? The Magic Back Support helps to relieve muscle tension and tightness in a matter of just minutes. Individual results vary. While some users experience immediate benefits, it may take several weeks for others. The key is to stick with the program and practice the recommendations for the time and usage we have provided. Level 1, starting position, provides least amount of stretch for beginners, measures 2 3/4 inches from the floor. Level 2 provides greater stretch for advanced users, measures 3.5 inches in height from the floor. 3 provides maximum stretch for advanced users, measures 4.25 inches in height from the floor. Level 2 and level 3 should only be used after you are completely comfortable with level 1. For many individuals, let me spell this. It is not necessary to advance beyond the level 1 arch adjustment. All right. Its multi-level design allows a person to work up to a greater stretch when ready. It's compact and portable. Unlike larger back stretching devices available, the lumbar extender can be used anytime, anywhere. It fits into just about any small travel bag, briefcase, or golf bag. Made in China. Back stretcher or lower back. Yeah. Okay, you can use it for a bed, chair, car. That's what it says. I don't know. All right, so let's open this up, my peeps. With massage, as with every fitness program, please consult with your physician before using Waist Relax Mate, especially if you have pre-existing back or neck injury. They don't know shit, man. They're fucking just collecting checks. All right, my peeps, let's open this up. Okay, product features: sustainable. Okay, suitable for both men and women. Assemble in just a few seconds. 3 positions for optimum effect. Come with full instructions. All right, my peeps, let's get to it. Let's break the seal. Let's get to it. My bad, my peeps. Yeah, I like this stand. My new tripod stand. Yay! Alright, let me. My bad, my peeps. It's pretty hot. The sun is kind of beaming on me. Okay, there you go. Let's open this bad boy up. See what's going on inside. Alright, my peeps. I won't make this too long. Oh, yeah, baby. What's up? That's it. Alright. So we got that. Let's open this bad boy up, because I want to use it for sure every day. And yeah, obviously level 1. Okay, it has this little cushion. It's just 2 pieces. 3 pieces. So there you go. That's what it says, my P. Look, the instruction. Oh man. So it says waist relax made instruction, different level stretching diagram. First layer for beginners, start pulling with light stretching. Second layer for intermediate users, pull with moderate stretch. Third layer for advanced users, to pull with large stretch. Installation diagram. Alright, as shown, put the base and the RC form plate on a flat mat or carpet, the end towards yourself. Put the shelf to the alignment slot with both hands while knees against the slot. 3. Press the lumbar panel with your hand, adjust it gently so it can slide into the appropriate gear. Precautions: if you have physical illness, back injuries, or have surgery done recently, make sure you consult doctors before using this product. Do not use it about 20 minutes, okay? Do not use it above 20 minutes. Pregnant women and malignant tumor patients should consult a practitioner before use. Lumbar spine common, acupuncture, and acupuncture magnetic therapy. There you go, my peeps. So that's the little manual. Yep. So that's all it is, my peeps. Just 3 parts. So you pretty much, this is level 1. Yeah, okay, my peeps, there you go. So I'm looking at the diagram, at the picture. This is level 1, level 2, level 3. You insert it. No, you insert it like this. Yeah. And then you add this cushion like that. Yeah, my peeps. And then you have to obviously be in this position, in this knee position, to be able to do it. But yeah, so that's kind of like in a jits how it kind of goes. I don't know if you guys see it. And then you have to just kind of bend it or arc it. But someone has to be holding it from here. Let me see if I can do it. There you go, like that. And then you just slide them in, I guess. Yeah, you just slide them in. And then that's level 1, because it's not that. The arch, it's like what it says, it's gonna be the least. It's gonna only be 2 inches and 3/4. So if I had like a tape measure, I'll measure it. So it'll be from the floor, 2 inches and 3/4 or whatever it says. Yeah, 2 inches and 3/4. All right, my peeps. So I hope this makes sense. But yeah, so this is for my spine, so I can stretch it, and hopefully this helps me out when I wake up in those days that I'm freaking hurting, like really bad. All right, my peeps. So that's this video. Hope you guys like it. You know, it doesn't want to stay. All right, everyone. Cool, right? All right, peace, love, and health, everybody. All right, later's next video is another unboxing. All right, everyone.